even more terrifying. A little demon baby in a pumpkin suit. I love it.
You wanted to meet the pumpkin king.
Well, of course. That's me.
Yes.
Well, I brought some pumpkins of my own. This is my favorite.
What's
His name is Jack.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. This is my second favorite. His name is also Jack. This is my third favorite. He's hiding. He's shy. His name is Jack. Over here. This one here. Can you guess his name?
Jack?
That's right. This one here, a little scared. Name?
Jack the second?
Still Jack.
Okay, just Jack.
And this one here, very happy to be here.
Jack?
Jonathan.
Oh!
He wanted to be different, and we respect that.
Yes.
Perfect. Oh, we should get a photo together.
Yes, we should.
Of course.
Okay, let me go in the middle.
Oh, right.
Sorry.
I have a little boo-boo. I call him Jack.
Jack! Another one!
Another one.
Terrifying, I like his little teeth.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, yeah, it's good to
I
be
like it. I
scary.
think very sharp teeth.
And that one, we can name that one Jonathan. How about it?
Oh,
Jonathan.
another Jonathan.
An electric Jack. Or
Maybe
electric
Johnny.
Jonathan. Johnny!
Terrifying.
Electric Johnny. Like
Terrifying.
that.
All right, we'll look here for the photo.
Okay. Thank you.
Terrifying, thank you. Good to see you.
Good to meet you. And all your Jacks.
And all my Jacks and Jonathan.
Oh, and Jonathan, sorry.
Well, yes, of course. And you, little pumpkin demon,
Oh, yes.
and electric Johnny, and Jack.
Yes.
Too many names to remember.
Too many names to keep track of.
Right.
Everyone should just be
It'd
Jack.
be easier if I hadn't lost my brain.
Oh, my goodness.
I know. It's just so
It
hollow.
happens to the best of us.
Seeped out of my eye holes.
Ooh, that's gross.
You'll get there someday.
Yeah. Okay,
holidays.
bye.
Forward to, I guess.
Of course.
Thank you.